I'm standing here live at a location that's not here anymore. It was a building a long time ago. The story and the rumor has it, there was a midget got mad and got in a big argument and a fist fight with one of his friends over a spicy chicken sandwich. Okay, so the little midget got drunk. Well, a little person, they don't like to be called midgets. Got drunk, went to the toilet to take a leak, and fell over and drowned in the toilet. He drowned in the toilet, people. And I'm about to go around here and find out. See if this experience really truly exists. I think it's a made-up story, and I'm about to find out. So, come with the trip, man. Okay. Where you at? Where you at, you little son of a bitch? You don't scare nobody. Did you hear that? Did you hear that? That sounded like I heard it. Oh, shit. Are y'all tuning in? Now, the video that I uploaded, see, I'm a time traveler. I see certain things before I enter the physical realm. In 2015, I put out there that individuals would be hurting themselves over a chicken sandwich. Now, I touched on it, this stupid chicken sandwich, just a little bit, but I'm going to take it to many levels. And I'm going to tell you the reason why certain corpse or corporation promoting this. All right. So, like I said, I did short films and I'm still doing certain things. And like I said, in due time, y'all will see. All right. In due time. Now, whenever it comes to putting out like short films back in 2000, I was doing it since 2012. All right. But, and I was doing it for a long time, short films and other videos, but I was putting subliminals in there, you know, because I felt like on that timeline, individuals wasn't ready. So I would put it into like short films or certain videos that I would put it together, but I was giving subliminals through it. And just like the video that y'all just watched, I threw in certain things. I threw in a lot of things. I do, like whenever I upload videos, I still give subliminals, but if you're on a high frequency, you'll get it. And some of y'all take it in and you can feel my signals. All right. So whenever it comes to this sandwich that these corporations promoting, there's a reason why. There is a reason why. The chicken sandwich basically messing with y'all's DNA. Now everything is poison, but it's messing with the DNA on a certain level, and plus they do rituals and spells through the cloned chickens because you know the food that's on the ground, like that crawls on the ground, to me I just feel like most of them are cloned, you know, but we eat it. I eat it. We all eat it, you know. Like I said, everything is poison. If you're on a high frequency, certain things can't touch you. But I'm not messing with that silly chicken sandwich at all. I'm not going to go out there and, I can fry up a chicken sandwich better than these corpse. If I want to fix a chicken sandwich, I'll fix a fried chicken sandwich. I can probably fix it better than some of y'all's mammy and pappy. Do you feel my signals? But anywho, but these individuals been tricking y'all for decades whenever it comes to certain things. They promote certain things, whether it's disturbed or if it's from the unknown, or if it's from the unknown. All right. Some of y'all say negative and positive. Certain things are from the unknown, and certain things are disturbed because a lot of individuals latch onto it and y'all feed y'all's energy into it. So whenever you feed your energy into certain things, then you're basically putting the spell, the voodoo inside of your soul, and it's connecting to your dream plane. Some of y'all got voodoo in your dreams and don't even know it. You got certain spells in your dreams, but that's another video. But individuals are destroying their self over something that they whipped up in the lab and did rituals, and the devices is sending signals to y'all's brain waves, and these individuals know how to put certain things in the illusion light, and y'all will it into y'all soul. Like this sandwich, this sandwich basically, whenever they promote big things like that, like the sandwich or the iPhones or certain sneakers and stuff, there's a certain spell and a ritual behind it. And some of y'all take that in. All right. And certain food, of course, we eat this garbage. This, like I said, some of this garbage tastes good because they know how to whip it up and make it taste good. Or, I can whip it up and make it taste good, damn it. Do you smell and feel my signals on that one? But anywho, these individuals basically messing with y'all's DNA. Okay, so you can't create that super baby. And the sandwich can do disturbed things, make you like the same sex, just like they do rituals and put a certain type of unknown spell that they know about the spell, but that's not the great unknown. Now, some of y'all might say cocaine or these cold drugs and all of that stuff, but it's like something from the unknown that these individuals got a hold of and know how to use that energy and spell against y'all. And that stuff can make y'all do disturbed things. Y'all out here destroying each other. These individuals got y'all into a spell, in a trance. So y'all promote these things. Y'all promote the spells. Y'all walking billboards. And y'all don't see what's going on. Y'all walking billboards, and whenever y'all connect to the illusion light, whenever your soul stands in the illusion light, you create other illusions. And certain things keep this physical going. Y'all keeping this physical going. Me, I think this physical should have been destroyed a long decades ago. But y'all keeping this physical, y'all keeping it going. Because we're more than a physical. Some of us, our energy is deeper than this physical realm. But it's other disturbed souls still want to connect to the physical realm and gain power, and basically got millions and millions of y'all into a trance and spells, and y'all putting y'all's soul into the illusion light, and you creating disturbed giants. Do y'all feel my signals? Y'all connecting that and y'all putting that all in, and these giants are basically spitting your soul out and creating other things. See, whenever y'all take certain things in, you're sending the corporations spells into other parallel worlds, low vibration worlds. And that's connecting with some of y'all's DNA and creating other things. Do you feel my signals? You're creating, you're feeding this illusion light. Not just on the physical, but in other worlds. So these individuals, got y'all eating certain things for a reason. Like, for example, whenever it comes to certain rays and energy, certain energies and rays connect to certain animals. So most of us, basically, we're eating like stuff that's whipped up out of the lab. So the energy can't connect to that because the food is already cloned, and certain things can control y'all's DNA and mess with your DNA on many levels. All right. What else was I going to say? And the animals because there's only a few animals out there that's, unique and original, because we haven't seen all the animals. You're programmed to see certain things, but this universe is bigger than us. There's other creatures and beings on this in parallel worlds and dimensions. This the physical realm. So you're programmed to see the birds, the bees, and the list goes on. Y'all get what I'm saying. You're programmed to see that. But there's other animals, like, for example, like the eagle and stuff like that. I feel like the eagle and owls and other things, pick up on different types of frequencies and stuff. Individuals can see through the eagle's eye. And crows, like, for example, crows, some of y'all probably don't know crows can talk. Certain animals or birds or whatever you want to call them, they pick up on certain things, so certain rays touch them. These individuals that's tapping into the bird's frequency, they can see other things that y'all can't see. All right. Because the birds and, fish and stuff like that, the birds and fish, they're on a high frequency. So certain rays connect with them on many levels. Okay. Just to put that out there. And these individuals, that's the reason why it's illegal to, kill an eagle or do certain things. But these individuals can do whatever they want. Of course, they done certain things to these birds and fish and stuff. And that's the reason why you always see birds and stuff fall out of the sky and stuff, because they was experimenting on these birds, and you see fish all over the place and stuff. They was destroying certain things. They was destroying their DNA. So these individuals got y'all eating some stuff that they whipped up out of the lab. Like I said, we all eat it. But if you're on a high frequency, that stuff can't touch you. But some of us, we have a connection with certain energies and rays. The animals, they got it too. So certain, like animals, birds and stuff, whenever they got a connection, these individuals distract y'all. You got y'all doing the rituals and stuff like that, and connecting with their creation. So y'all can't connect to higher things. So the individuals got us eating each other on the physical realm, messing up DNA and doing rituals and spells. Got everybody against each other, the animals against the humans, and other things like other different types of connections and energy on the physical realm. Like I said, this physical realm is all messed up. And the animals, and some of y'all so called earthlings, you're basically, y'all eating each other. And then it's all getting recycled, the energy getting recycled on a low vibration and stuff. And certain things are getting created from y'all's DNA and animals' DNA to keep your soul trapped in this physical. And the animals, they disrespect the animals by putting them on sports logo or gear, clothes, whatever you want to call it, hats and all of that stuff. And even some of you earthlings. And whenever you see whenever it comes to the stoplight, you see the walking sign and stuff. There are certain things. There's a reason why they do certain things, and I'm gonna touch on it when I feel like touching on it. Unlock your souls.